hope you're doing great. I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this video. So guys, I'm here to present new updates and latest news on bugs.dev scam. So guys, stay tuned with me and watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, one question for all the people who loves to play game, especially the Robux. So guys, do you love to play Roblox and wanted to earn more Robux from the site? You can easily explore bugs.dev. The site proclaims to give you free Robux for the new users. So guys, the site says earn Robux by completing offers. It means there are many options and offers available for you in the site. You can complete the offers, you can buy Robux. Present balance is 0. When you're going to earn it, the website will show you your balance and your Robux amount. So there are the offers below to earn Robux. The first offer is take survey. The disqualified user phased out from specific survey may receive partial credit. You have to answer all the question. You need to score 100%. Redeem your points. Second offer is Khata book. You need to open the Khata book, save new customers to account, redeem your points, and new users can only use it. Third is MedLife, that is an insurance plan. Install it, open it, redeem your points. It can use by new users only. For learning app, an academy is a great option and it says open an academy, complete registration, redeem your points. Josh app is there, install it, open it, redeem your points. Fourth one is slot, that is for reach your goal faster by purchasing the $4.99 coin package. Play pop slots, complete level 27, redeem your points, completed within 7 days. PhonePe option is there, install it, open it, redeem your points. Next is ROM survey, Paytm Rummy APK, open Paytm first games Rummy, register and then redeem. Looney Tunes is there, game has its register, confirm email, collect 250 soul games. Snake Blast is there, reach on mobile. For research on mobile, you need to enter your valid personal information, complete a survey, redeem your points. So guys, yes, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to give you better information about the site. So guys, as per the information, we found that bugs.dev is a website that claims to give free Robux, does not ask for your password, just ask whether you are using the account or not, and it's used human verification. So the human verification is there on the site, which creates some issues, and as per the introspection, the site is crafted to give free Robux to the user so that they can play and win more Robux. So guys, as per the customer reviews, we found that they are not happy with the buy bugs.dev as they believe it is a totally waste of time because the site used human verification and users said they might hack your account. Some users stated they got free Roblox, so it depends upon the individual experience. So guys, it depends upon person to person, their choices. But for playing this Roblox game in this website, you need to complete all the offers or one of the offers to earn Robux. So if you wanted to find it best for you as per your convenience, you can go ahead with the site, and if you found any problem, then it depends on you, your choices there. You wanted to continue it or you don't want to continue it, go for its reviews and then opt for it as an option. So guys, if you found our information helpful, do hit the like button and do share and comment, and for the latest news and updates, do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys. Stay safe and stay informed.